Okay, here we go. So you all Mexicans out there that don't know what's up with the galaxies and shit, if you take your battery out of the phone, you're gonna find out that you're being recorded, and your battery actually has something inside that will record you all the time. You see this thing right here? You see it? See this? All the pictures and videos are being taken by the government from you, and you should remove this shit off your phone, your battery I mean, and go without it, because you don't need this crap in there. See that? Right there? All that shit, all that information is going to the government. So, just so you guys know, little secret from me that I found out because I just got busted by the FBI for some videos I took last week of some shit. But anyway, heads up, man. Got it? All right.